My name is David, and this is Paracord Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a 4-strand core using a cow's hitch and a reverse cow's hitch. Alright, let's begin. First, you want to get yourself 2 strands of cord. I have here black and titanium. For the first part, what you want to do, you're going to start by evening up your ends. This is going to be an inside-outside core strand. The black here will be on the inside for the 2 strands, and the titanium will be on the outside for the 2 strands. First, you want to take your loop. You want to, like I said, even up your ends. And you're going to take the loop and you're going to bring it down through the buckle. And then bring your cords down through the loop. After that, you want to close that up. And then next, what you want to do for the second strand, you're going to take your second cord and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take your gray, the titanium, over the top. And you're going to bring one end down through the buckle from underneath, going up, like this. And you're going to bring the cord underneath the loop on top. This will start that first end of the reverse cow's hitch, this one, and then you're going to take the other end and repeat the process. You're going to bring the cord up from underneath, and do the same thing. Bring the cords through, you want to make sure you tighten them up, and then you want to make sure your other cords are like that. As you can see, there you go. That is how I make the double cow's hitch. Basically a cow's hitch, and I think this one, I'm not 100% certain, but I think it's a horse hitch. Alright, thank you. My name is David. This is Paracord Design. Thank you, and have a nice day.